And I made this all mess back here. Wrecked all the grass and then slip. Yeah, I walk on mud now. Everything all stinks. I want to put this thing in here. That's like the worst possible spot they could have put that too. There's like a sprinkler wire hanging out over there too, which I don't care, but sprinklers. They'll charge us more money, you know, and they wreck the sprinkler service. They're probably paying for this indirectly. And this is going to be another company most likely that says that they're going to probably be dropping Comcast on us and forcing you to get this shit. Look at this idiot dog eating the grass. Well, like I thought, they did this. And they must have broke the sprinklers. I called that one. It's all dry back here. Come on, go. 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 Get out of there. Unbelievable condo land. Oh, cool. Yeah, you can't make this shit up though when you live in one of these developments like this. It is just a big giant LOL joke. It's like the Scooby-Doo hallway, like I say all the time, if someone's chasing you and you all meet at one point again. But the Scooby-Doo hallway also breaks your stuff. Come on, dog, it's hot out here. Come on. Come on, dog. Some people said that. Why do you call your dog Dog? That's its name? No, I call dog Dog. Come on, dog. Listens. Dog. Get over here, dog. Oh, you're scared. You don't like walking over this shit. Come on, let's go. You get all picky and stuff like that. Come on, let's go. It's hot out. Yeah, they screwed all this up though. There's like sinkholes and shit over here. All over here. So they screwed with the ground structure. It's unbelievable. It messed up all this shit sinking. Look at that shit. Hacks. Stop eating grass.